Yo, I can't believe I made this micro twist all by myself. Like, look at how full the thing is. So full and fluffy. Like, damn, I did this myself, sis. I am super proud of myself. Like, I am super proud of myself. So I've been seeing this hair everywhere, like literally everywhere. I open my phone, I'll see it. Every day I am seeing this hair. It was like calling me. The hair was literally calling me, and I've had it in my mind like a million times to do this hair, but I know that it's something that will consume time, and the time with my sisters is what I don't have. So on this very day I decided to try. Can you believe that this hair took me 2 days to complete? Like, okay, so yeah, you know, there was a lot of distractions, right? But still, like, it took me 2 days to finish. And the crazy part is I don't even have the complete footage of this video. The first one that I filmed, the phone got spoiled. Until now I cannot recover my clips. How crazy is that? After all my hard work, I feel like crying. I feel like crying sometimes thinking about that. So this is me sharing with you people what I have. Thank God that I filmed some part with my Android phone. Otherwise I would have lost everything, and that would have been crazy, right? When I was installing this hair, I was literally doing what works, right? At the back, the way I started the root was different. At the middle, it was different. By the side also, it was also different. Like, it was what works for me. Like, I was just braiding the roots however feels comfortable, right? Any pattern that feels comfortable, that's the pattern I'm going to go with. So in this video, you're going to see me start the roots in 3 different styles. You choose the one that is easy for you. Like, this video is not even a tutorial video, but I hope that it will help somebody. This one I did it mostly where I'm not able to catch my regular, where I'm not able to start it my regular way, right? I just do this. Like, I was literally doing what works, honestly speaking, and it came out okay. Another thing is adding extension. Okay, so I wanted it to have that umbrella look. So that's why I said, okay, let me add this color 30 to it to, you know, make it pop a little bit. This is not a tutorial video. So that being, if I have the complete footage where I filmed from the back, because there I showed everything complete and all the different styles, all the different patterns that you can start this hair. I hope that even though it's not a tutorial video, I hope that this video kind of motivates you to, you know, try making your own hair yourself. You know, try making your own hair yourself. It is not easy. Your arm is going to hurt, you feel tired, and it's like, it feels endless, especially if you're doing something this tiny, right? But believe me, it is worth it. Every single time that you spend doing this is worth it, trust me.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.
So while I was making this hair, can you believe that starting the hair from the root was not even a challenge? What was challenge, a big one, was adding this color 30. I don't know how other people do it and it looks easy. Do you know I literally had to pause filming to go to YouTube to check how to feed in twist for this purpose. Anyway, thank God I was able to do it because the color really made it look different. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how I prepare this hair before I even start twisting. So So this is how I prepare my hair before I start twisting. First, I am going to go in with a leave-in conditioner, and in this video I am using Kakiva leave-in conditioner. So then I'm going to get enough quantity for this particular section, for the particular section that I'm working with at the moment. The reason why it is good to moisturize and seal your hair properly is to avoid the extension from drying out your hair. So next I'm going to go in with my pomade, sealing the moisture from the leave-in conditioner that I have applied earlier. Applying leave-in conditioner alone is good, but at some point it will feel dry because 60% of the ingredients is water, right? And water evaporates. So that is why even when you're using leave-in conditioner, you should also use a hair pomade, hair butter or oil. Unless you're using a hair cream that is like maybe 40% water and 60% oils and butters. You get what I'm saying? So the one tip to separate kinky extension, especially synthetic kinky extension, without tangling is to split it with force. So it is currently 1:30 a.m. and at this point I was literally beat. Like, I was so tired. You could see that my face is not even smiling. I was literally tired, but I was also so shocked that I did all of these things myself. Like, I can't believe I did all of these things myself, and it is finally over. Anyway, so yeah, this is what it was looking like. But then I didn't even have time to do all the effigy I wanted to do with this hair. I had to tie it up and go to bed. The next day I'm going to be putting it in hot water because I don't know, I saw this somewhere and I said let me try it, and I regretted it almost immediately. Alright guys, so if you are still watching to this point and you've not subscribed and you've not liked this video, please let me beg you, I'm begging from my church mind, please like this video for me and subscribe to the channel if you've not done so. All your supports are highly appreciated. Thank you so much and God bless you. So it is the next day now and I'm going to be putting this hair in hot water. If you want your hair full, please don't put it in hot water. Like, if I'm going to make this hair again, I'm never going to try putting it in hot water. So there is no need for putting this hair in hot water at all.
take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking
you could see that the part, like the first part that I soaked in hot water, just straightened up immediately. Like, look at how straight the thing became. And my hair, I'm sure my hair touched hot water too, and so I regretted it almost immediately I did it. When I discovered that this is what it was looking like, I was like, what? Oh no, I've made a very terrible mistake. I tried to apply a leave-in conditioner in that area, crunch it up to see if it's going to like bounce back, you know, the way natural hair does. But it didn't do that at all. Like, it remains straight even till now. It's been like 3 weeks now since I made this hair. That part is still straight. I just hope that my hair is not affected, like my real hair inside this extension. I just hope it's not affected.
Yo, let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring.
So now that I am done, I'm going to oil my scalp and give it a little bit of massage. You know that this part is very important. And after the massage, it is done and dusted. I didn't have time to do makeup. You know, I said earlier, all the effects I wanted to do with this hair, I didn't do any one of it. But anyway, I'm glad that I got to do this hair after putting it off for a long time. So this is it though. If you like it, please let me know in the comment section. And please give me a thumbs up, okay? Thank you so much.